Mexican doctor reveals a cure for joint pain and bone regeneration, which also restores vision and improves memory 80%. Yes, you got that right. A Mexican doctor reveals the most powerful home remedy. He says that this powerful mixture will help you boost your metabolism, it will cleanse your body from all harmful toxins, and yes, it will boost your brain function as well. It will also improve your vision and alleviate joint pain. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this means one thing: you should definitely try it. Note, many people around the world have tried this recipe, and they've also said that amazing recipe improved their eyesight, hearing and memory. Well, this means that you should definitely try this amazing recipe. The best thing about this homemade recipe is that you need 3 simple ingredients: horseradish, lemon and honey. Yes, that's it. Just take a look at the article below and find out more about this amazing remedy. But first, here's a list of foods you should consume every day. Yes, these foods will improve your vision, regenerate your bones and boost your brain function as well. Consume these foods every day to boost your brain function, improve your memory and improve your vision as well. Rosemary is awesome. It contains compounds that can help you boost brain performance. Its fragrance is also very effective. Just place a rosemary plant in the window or use an essential oil. Yes, that's it. And trust me, you'll be amazed by the results. Beets are loaded with natural nitrates that enhance blood flow in the body and the brain. How often do you consume eggs? Well, the experts say that you should consume eggs more often because the egg yolks contain choline that can help you boost brain health. Did you know that fish like salmon, sardines, and black cod are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for the proper functioning of the brain? Avocados are effective in increasing the blood flow to the brain. Blueberries are delicious and super healthy. They're packed with antioxidants, which can help you protect your brain from any oxidative damage. You should also know that regular consumption of raw onions will improve your memory. A whole grain is a superfood for brain development, thanks to its generous content of fiber, complex carbohydrates, and omega-3 fatty acids. Tomatoes are loaded with the compound lycopene, which will protect your brain cells from damage from free radicals, and it works great for overall health. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of freshly prepared green tea daily will help sharpen your memory and increase your brain capacity. Green tea actually increases the electrical connectivity of the brain, thereby increasing your levels of concentration and cognitive functions. Yes, chocolate black is good for you. Black chocolate contains powerful antioxidants and caffeine, which helps sharpen memory and also raise concentration levels. Filled with folic acid and vitamin B12, acorn squash is effective in protecting brain nerves from injury. The omega-3 fatty acids found in nuts help increase brain power. Nuts also improve the flow of oxygen and vital nutrients to the brain. Turmeric is loaded with curcumin, and the curcumin found in turmeric can sharpen memory and prevent inflammation. Besides being one of the healthiest fruits to keep fit, apples will also improve your memory. Note, this homemade remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients: 125 grams of horseradish, 4 lemons, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, ginger 2 centimeters. Directions: it's very simple. First, you need to put the horseradish and the ginger into a blender and blend well. Then, cut the lemons in slices unpeeled, remove the lemon seeds, and add them into the blender. Mix again until you get nice and homogeneous mixture. Then, add the 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon and mix everything again. Make sure you keep this mixture in a glass jar and store it in the fridge. That's it, your homemade remedy is ready to use. How to use it? The experts say that you should consume 1 tablespoon of this homemade mixture 2 times every day for 3 weeks. So, if you want to speed up the weight loss process and lose weight much faster, then this drink is the best choice for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family.